Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel and another video. This video is actually to support the peaceful protest that is going on right now in my own country, Nigeria. The Stop Sars, if you notice on the social medias and all the platform, you see the hashtag Stop Sars, Stop SWAT going on. It breaks my heart so much to see that the so-called special anti-robbery squad that is meant to provide security protection for the innocent citizens of my country, Nigeria, are the ones actually causing nuisance in the country. I'm not sorry to say that. They are supposed to be an anti-robbery squad, but instead they are the robbers of the country itself. So the annoying part of it all is that the so-called president, the government, they're doing nothing absolutely about it. SWAT, whatever they're called, SARS, has to stop. Because SARS are actually inflating pains to individuals, causing brutality, oppression on the streets, extortion, killing, name it, the list goes on and on. So this is my own way of supporting our Y2K youths, which are doing amazing right now. This is my way of saying, stop SARS. Seriously, SARS has to stop. So I'm using this video right now to show my own support for the movement, because I 100% support the fact that SARS has to go. So it's our time. Police brutality has to stop. Apart from SARS, there are other areas actually. No lights, no good roads, hospital zero, employment zero, food, cost of living. I mean, it goes on and on and on and on. And the so-called president, government, leaders are doing nothing about it. So now the youths have come together in one voice, peacefully protesting and asking the leadership to do something about it. Enough of the killing, enough of the oppression, enough of extortion, enough of corruption, enough of all the rubbish going on in that country right now. Nigeria, we are coming together as one to say stop, stop, stop SARS. I'm gonna do a look, and I hope you guys please share this video, make it go viral. Subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. Hit the notification button so that each time I'm putting up a video, you'll be notified. Thank you guys. Please stick to the video, watch, and I'd appreciate that. See you in the video. So first of all, I'm going to be wiping my face clean by hydrating with my rose water. Oof. The reason why I'm actually doing this is just to keep my face hydrated for the look I'm about to do. So I can also wipe out the dirt if I like, because I know I have some makeup residues on my face right now. So now I'm going to be using my Havane thermal water just to prep my face. This is just like a prepping to ensure my face is properly moisturized, ready for my makeup. Usually I'm supposed to allow this dry up itself. So I'm going to be finding this right now. So now I'm just lining my eyebrow, highlighting it with my concealer, using the usual drill. But yeah, I'm actually goofing around
trying to do the disappearing transitioning. Okay, so to ensure that my eyeshadow is hacked to the size or hacked to the side, I used my sellotape to create a demarcation there. So the steps are actually pretty easy to follow. On my eyebrow, I colored my eyebrow with my green eyeshadow from my Clarity palette. So now the eyeshadow begins. I started transitioning here with my brown color, and the next is the white color. So now for my Juvier palette, I'm using that shade of green there to create my lining. So the area where I'm wiping off right now is the area or the portion where I'm going to be attaching or sticking the rhinestones. That's why I created or I cleaned that portion off. And also for sparkle effect or glittery effect kind of, I used my Milani Hypnotic High Topper in the shade of Starlight. Yeah, I just stuck the rhinestone in now after applying my glitter glue. Yeah, that's my pastel liner. Actually, it's a UV pastel liner I used to create the lining, the lemon lining, and on the other side, the outer part of the eyeshadow, I used the same UV pastel liner. That's the first color in the outer eye area. So just because of the reason for the look, which is I just wanted to create something that goes with the color of our flag, the Nigerian flag. That's why I put that green and the white lining, using my face color to put the lining. And yes, we just apply foundation on the area where my drawing paintings won't be covering. So I actually am creating a max effect using my white pencil to draw the line or to do the base. So following now, I'm painting my face using my face paint, the green color actually, but though the green color didn't come out as the shade of green that I want. So that's the reason why I'm going to be attaching, or I'm plastering now with the same green eyeshadow I used for my eyeshadow as well, to create the green shade that I want. So the essence of this line is to make to create that effect, the shading part. On the mask. So guys, on this part actually I didn't realize that my camera setting was quite opposite until after I finished the write-up. I realized that I was actually filming in the opposite direction. I'm so sorry about that guys. I hope we please bear with me on the video but it actually came out, I realized when I was done writing. Before I corrected I actually changed my camera setting. So the normal drill, my mascara, then I fixed my eyelashes. So in order to complement the colors that I have on my mask, I decided to use this lemon green pencil. And yes, finally I corrected the camera back after I realized I've been videoing in the opposite direction. Guys, this is the finished look. What do you think about this look? Please give us a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button once again. And thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Yeah, I say stop Sars, stop police brutality, no to bad governance, no to corruption.